vlog was shot earlier this month before things got crazy. We are doing fine, and I hope all of you all as well. In this vlog, I have 3 instructions that you need to follow in order to enter the 100K giveaway. There are some awesome prizes, and in order to win them, you do have to do everything. The options for prizes are a one-on-one balloon garland coaching session with me, a balloon hoop stand, and I will handpick balloons for your next event. The winners will win one of these options, so definitely stay tuned and watch the vlog to enter. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sharpe Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. We are on vacation in Hawaii. We're going to bring you guys along for a little bit of the trip. I'm not going to vlog the whole thing because I do want to enjoy it, but definitely going to bring you guys around for the exciting things. I'm going to bring you guys over here where Dakota and Blue are. We are staying at the Marriott Beach Club in Colina. This is our third time here, and we absolutely love it. Want to say hi from the phone? No. Whatever, Deborah. So Dakota and Kelvin are down here at the beach, starting our day up super early here with a beach, some fun. Dakota has been obsessing over the beach since I told her we were coming. Dakota, say hi guys. So we're doing a luau tonight, and this is the pig that we're gonna be eating. Hey Sting, let's go get some food over here.
Oh, you put the hot coals on.
Yeah, the coals. Oh, now he's gonna cover it with some leaves. You don't want, oh yeah, the strap came loose. Hey guys, checking back in. We are about to go to a luau here on the resort. We went to this particular luau the first time, but we actually went to a location, but this time we're gonna attend it at the hotel. Say hi guys. So you went to the beach today?
Beach.
You have fun? What you do? Yeah? You wanna say hi, Kelvin?
Hello.
But we'll see you guys at the luau.
There you go,
Alright.
Ooh, pretty, Coda.
There you go, thank you.
Oh, that's my first leg. There you go.
You just got laid in Hawaii.
Yeah, literally. Have fun, guys. Alright, fly one foot out.
I don't know what you would say about.
You like it?
That's pretty. Stepping right around. Enjoy your guys' show, okay?
The sun is crazy out here. Huh?
On your back. It'll go down. The sun will be going down.
Let's see if I could get him. Uh-oh. He's making them over there.
We're talking about hours. We're talking about 6 to 10 hours. I believe that's too long for everyone to wait to eat. So we had to find another method. We found umu. And everyone please say umu.
Umu.
You want to do umu style, you don't have to worry about digging holes. You can start your fire, start your cooking. Best firewood to use is called the kiabi. Best rocks to use are river rocks. Why we use river rocks? Because they can absorb the heat for a very long time. But you do have to remember, family and friends, you never want to place wet rocks into your umu, because they will explode. So you gotta stay away from your umu if you're not sure about those rocks, unless you have friends or neighbors you don't like. But this time, we're gonna invite our main chefs of our Fia Luau. Can we please give a big round of applause for you? We have your chefs. There you have it, family and friends, so well done. Roast and bois for our feast tonight. Please give another round of applause for hard-working chefs. So let me hear you on the left side. Are you hungry?
Yeah!
Yes, you guys are hungry. How about the right side? Are you hungry?
They hungry, Coda.
Yes, you guys are
I'm hungry as hell.
So you know, family and friends, I do want... dear friends. Please give a big round of applause for all our children, beautiful young ladies and men up here. It's not easy coming up and doing something that you never had done before. But we do have some beautiful children up here. Your new show, you need drummers, call us. We'll come like canoes. Wherever you need us to come, okay?
Hey guys, welcome back. So it's definitely the next day. I didn't close out on yesterday with you guys. We were exhausted after the luau, went right to sleep. But we're up and at 'em early this morning. Coda's back here digging into some gummy bears. We're trying to get an address now. And we're about to head over to the Dole Plantation. And then we're gonna go to the Polynesian Culture Center. We've already did the luau yesterday, so we don't have to spend as much time at the Polynesian Culture Center as most people do. So if we have time, we might find something else to get into, but we're gonna bring you guys along with us for the exciting things. And yeah, stay tuned. Wanna say hi guys, Coda? You wanna say hey, Kelvin?
Hello.
You say the same raggedy hello every time. Have something ready for him next time.
Hi guys.
We'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so we made it to Dole Plantation. Go inside. Look how pretty the views are all around this island. If you haven't had a chance to come to Hawaii, you should definitely try to make it a priority to try to get here for a vacation. You see the chicken? What did the chicken say? Got the tickets. I think pineapples are grown in the ground. I think they are grown in the ground. It's so pretty out here though.
Touching the leaf.
No, you gotta just send her a video of that.
They didn't will. And the air had touch plant. You touch the plant. That's gonna be your nana tree.
Oh yeah, they go.
Which one is Gigi fish?
Where's Gigi fish? Where mama fish? That's that fish, go.
That's that fish? You think that's funny?
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Oh wow.
Man.
Where you see
Yeah,
your
the
mommy
military
fish?
pouch.
Oh.
Did you make that or is that really legit?
How cool is this tree?
Choo-choo.
Definitely meant to show you guys my Dole Whip before I demolish it, but it's really good. It's good? Mm-hmm. We made it. It's free all day parking. Hey y'all, so we made it inside. Apparently it takes like 2 days to do the whole Polynesian Culture Center, and so we're gonna walk around for probably a few hours, and so we wanted to grab some eat. I got some Mexican from this cute little hut right over here. Babe got fish and chips. He's over here getting Dakota. She didn't want either of them to share with us, so he's trying to get her a cheeseburger. So yeah, we're gonna eat up, and then once we get going, if we see anything exciting, which I'm sure we will, we'll bring you guys along.
And now I'll probably hit it.
Uh-oh. Duck your head down.
Oh, that was so close. That's it. You ready to go?
Get your spear back, Coda.
By dinner. But
What you said?
if you make
Push it up with your finger?
you don't have to. Yeah, push it up. Pointer finger.
Point
Push
your
it
finger.
up and let it fall.
Come back this way, Coda.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
3.
No practice necessary. Mama got the juice, Coda.
It's a natural.
Natural. That means don't mess with me.
Right back, right back.
Swing it back for her. Thank you so much.
There you go.
There you go. She know how to do it. And fish. Woo! Thank you. That's neat, Coda. Let me show the fish you just made. That is so cool. Ah. First tattoo. You do it around her ankle or something. What's your arm, babe?
Princess?
Yeah. Sit down so you can put on her ankle. Yeah. Coda. Ooh, stinky. Thank you. All right, little girl, you got tattoos. Ooh, let me see. Ooh. This is your first tattoo. How you feel? Did it hurt?
Nah, champ.
You handled the pain? Hey guys, so one of my subscribers wrote under my Instagram a picture of Dakota and told me about an Italian ice or shaved ice place. So we're about to go and check it out over here in North Shore, since we're up this way, before we head back to the hotel. So we're gonna see how good it is. It's in a cute little area over here. This is it right here. Oh, it is crowded. She wasn't lying. It must be very popular. Yep, that's me. Coda, say hi. Hi. Say happy Thursday.
Happy Friday.
Ooh, phone's ringing. It is Shayna. Hello? Oh. Hello? We did the picture, homie. Alright, I'm back. So I tried to start the vlog a second ago, but Dana was calling. Apparently it's World War III going on in the actual states on land. Can't find toilet paper because of the coronavirus. So we're out here living carefree and everybody's trying to find grocery and stuff to be quarantined apparently. But we woke up this morning and did Dakota's birthday photo shoot and got a few family pictures in. So once the photographer has those ready, we're gonna go pick those up and I'll show them to you guys in the vlog. I should have them back by then. And then me and Coda are heading to the pool. Bay is doing his schoolwork. He has midterms. Yes, he works full time and he is in school finishing up his bachelor's. So we're gonna give him some quiet time to get that done. But we'll see you guys at the pool. So yeah, the pool was definitely super packed on this side. We already passed the pool by us, which wasn't that packed, but I think we're gonna go down to the beach. That's what Coda likes anyway. Hold on, baby, let me see if I have my key card to get us in. Yep, mommy has it, so we can go in right here. Come on. Come on, my little mermaid. My little mermaid. Yay. So let me show you guys what we're walking up to. It was raining earlier, that's why we did our photo shoot so earlier than planned. Pretty cloudy today, but the past 4 days have been beautiful that we've been here. What are you doing, Stink? Yeah, we're gonna go down. Hi guys, so we just checked out of our hotel. Calvin and Dakota are trailing behind me. Super sad, wish we could stay here longer. I guess we're going home in time to try to scrape up some groceries. Trump just declared, what is it, national emergency. We packed a few of our leftover groceries from this trip. Hopefully it should make it on the plane back home, but juice for the little ones. Morning Mai Tais for the adults. Oh, that yummy food. What you got, Coda? Tell them what you eating. What's this? And what's this? What you got over here, Kelvin?
A local mocha. Hawaiian special. Oh, gravy.
Delicious.
Fried egg.
And I have an omelet and pancakes.